I'm Dr. Jamie Scaglione, otolaryngologist. Many parents don't realize that loud snoring every night in their child is not normal. It's actually a sign of sleep apnea. Most kids don't express their sleep apnea by being tired or sleeping all the time. They actually become more hyperactive during the day. Many of the times this is simply due to big tonsils and big adenoids, and a simple procedure to remove these will alleviate their symptoms. If you've noticed these symptoms in your child, make an appointment today to have them evaluated.